A very good morning, Zimbabwe. So let us talk about important matters. Hapana Citizens Coalition for Change Zimbabwe. Your vote remains your secret. Rest assured, no one will see you in the ballot. Your vote is a powerful expression of your choices and aspirations. Together, let's work towards building a new great Zimbabwe that includes and benefits everyone. Vote Triple C. So here is that just an example of how we are going to be voting. Maybe you are a first-time voter and you don't know what is going to be happening. You'll be alone and you'll be able to put your X. No one will be able to track you. No one will be able to trace you. No one will be able to see where you have placed your vote. Then, after putting your X, you go and place your ballot paper into the ballot box, and you'll be considered as somebody who just casted a vote, and that vote will actually be counted. So, Team Zimbabwe, when we are speaking about change, we are talking about a situation where we are voting for whoever we want, be it the councillor, be it the MP, be it the president. You are doing whatever you want as a candidate or as a citizen. Sorry, not as a candidate, as a citizen of Zimbabwe. So you are voting for a candidate of your choice. Skanzi panapa Vhotera triple C kunjalo. Skanzi how far the voters roll is it in order now? Skanzi panapa come rain come thunder. My vote has never been a secret and it will never be a secret. I'm voting triple C. And let's have this in many languages, please. Skanzi, your message is good, especially for those in rural areas, and most of them they are not on the social media. Okay, Marua message irukufamba zvekare because we have so many ways and avenues, especially the traditional methods of disseminating information. Irukusvika kwese kwese zvikanzi migratory ink will say you. Okay, this is one of my issues are so primitive. Hakuna ingi inofamba, hakuna zvakadaro. Isusu tiri kuti handei tinoregister kuvhota. Sorry, handei tinovhota because takaregister handei tinovhota nowando wedu tichinovhotera patiri kuda, and hakuna ingi ichazofamba kunzanzi zvazoita sezvikanzi Freddy, you are not bigger than the party that which you are claiming to be representing or fighting for is also not bigger than the party. Above all, no one has ever gone against the masses and succeeded. You have dug your own political grave and you bury yourself. Okay, this is advice to Freddy. Okay, this is another issue raised by Advocate Fadzai Rozanzi. Us, we are building a Zimbabwe for everyone. Okay, so Team Zimbabwe, let us go and vote for Advocate Chamisa and his champions. We have all the MPs on board. We have the councillors on board as well. Let us go and support them in various ways. If you can donate, please donate. If you can support, please support. Let us do our part. If you can't come to Zimbabwe to vote, please talk to your family to vote for change. No intimidation will deter us from voting for whoever we want. We are in this for change.